Why did you have to cut the call? Have you thought about what we discussed? What do you mean? What do you mean by that? I shouldn't call you that your wife is around. Do I look like I care? I don't care, oh. I don't. She should go to hell for all I care. That's not my business. See, you said you cannot marry me. No problem. Me, self, I don't want to marry you. Just do the needful. Buy me the house that's new layout now. You will buy me that house, oh. See, all these things you are saying, don't even annoy me. Do you realize that you did not pay me for my services? You did not pay me for my services. Why did you not pay me? You should have forwarded it to my account. Don't you have my account number? Don't you have it? Yeah? I don't bloody care about that. I don't care. You can say whatever you want, but all I care is what makes me happy. I want to be happy. Call me selfish, call me whatever you think. It is my interest that I want. Yeah? Hello? Adeni? The cool girl. He dare cut the phone on me. This man should not dare me. He should not even try me. He should not even push me to the wall. Because I will so deal with him. I will so deal with that man that his next option will be committing suicide. He should not try me. Chicken 100,000. Chicken change. Every time he gives me 100,000, 150,000, 200, or the Diego. You see this man, you must see, you'll be knocking me for 2 years. 2 solid years non-stop. You must buy me that house. I know when you go there. When I get you up on a foot house. My God, this man should not just push me. I swear with my life, I will cripple him. He should not try me. Because MIRABEL is a bitch. Whatsoever she wants, she gets. Who's this one? Hello? Okay, just sneak into the compound. Just say 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Just say that. I'll open the door for you. Let me quickly shower.
Honestly, I don't know how to describe this. You are just too sweet.
How sweet?
I cannot explain it. Someone of your class should not be living with us in this yard. You belong to the High and Mighty.
You know, one thing I like about you is that you're always very humble. And you say the nicest things.
So, should I understand that to mean I possibly have a chance with you?
Do you think you have a chance with me?
I know your level is higher than mine. But I will not remain like this forever. If you can give me hope that you consider a relationship with someone like me, that will motivate me to do more. And you never can tell when luck will shine on me.
Have you ever heard about the Iroko tree?
I left village early in life, so I don't know much about proverbs.
I'll tell you about it. The saying goes like this. He who is lucky enough to climb an Iroko tree should do all he could, because it is not always easy for one to find himself on an Iroko tree.
I feel I now understand what that means. You are the Iroko tree, and I am the lucky one who finds himself on top. Wow. MIRABEL, I promise I will do my best.
If you feel like say you wanna near them, Monday, Ejiofor, the body na super booba. What a pen, the body na wire, what a pen, the body na super duper, a super duper, the body na what a pen, take a easy, well, you there on speed, and the speed they go, they come, they jam, no they too rush.
White witch, what exactly are you doing in front of my house? Who called you? Did I call you? What are you doing here? Or did you keep something here? Because whatever you keep here, it can never get to me. Holy Ghost fire, the thunder that will destroy you and how it will go back to sender to you, you will not even imagine. I am sure you haven't kept anything in front of my house. What are you doing here? Fine. Those who are lucky to climb the Iroko tree should do all the code on the tree. It is not always that people find themselves there. Because I am still looking for the tree. And what rubbish did you just spew with your mouth? I just repeated the exact words you used on one of the fools you have been killing slowly. And let me tell you something. Your days as a smooth operator in this compound are numbered. What am I doing? Like, I don't understand. Wait, what did you just do? You heard me right. You came close to me to do what? See, if you ever try this nonsense again, I will show you the stuff I made. You don't know me. You don't know me very, very well. I will beat you blue, black, green, yellow. In fact, purple will join together. What's the meaning, see? What's the meaning of this now? What is the meaning of this? So, this job that you do not have is really affecting. Look at you, a very fine woman. All you do is isieba, ebanyeba, isieba, eputa, ekolasele, ewago, ekolasele, ewada. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Can't you sit down and talk to yourself? I will be inside. In the privacy. I'm not done talking. I am not done talking to you. You're not going anywhere. In the privacy of my room, you will be eavesdropping. What does that say? You are not just, you're a witch. You are indeed a white witch. Go and get a job. Go and be useful to yourself. You have heard what I said in my privacy. What has that done for you? Don't touch me. Useless idiot. Don't touch me. Go and look for a job. Don't touch me. Go and look for a job. See, you have to go to your village and know what was really done to you. How is it your business? How does it concern you on how I have chosen to worry home? In my own room. You are eavesdropping. Look at them, see witchcraft in the highest level. Don't worry. Let me go and come back. I will so deal with you in this one. You have no idea. You have no idea of what you just did. You have no idea of what you just did. Let me go and come back. I don't want to take you. I'm coming for you. I will be. Chief Adeni, I am trying so hard to understand why you and I ended up in your guest room again. What is the meaning of this? What do you have there? I mean, what do you have up here? What are you thinking? Let me tell you something that you don't know. If you have it in your mind that you and I would ever do something again, then you lie. You are a big liar until you do the needful. And not even that way. Nonsense.
Mirabel, I brought you here so that we can talk under a controlled environment. Benny.
I don't need a controlled talk that will be discussed in a controlled environment. Since you have blatantly refused to control the only thing I have asked you to control. I don't need it.
Loto. So, could that be the reason you came to my house to bang at the gate?
I haven't really done anything wrong. I only came to your house to meet Inioluwa, your so-called beloved wife.
Oshekini?
I came to see your wife.
What for? What for?
that a question?
Mirabel, I warned you from the very onset that you must never at any time come close to my house. James, is that not was that not our agreement?
I just mentioned your wife, you already started shivering. You're so scared. Right? Because she is your wife. You don't even want anything whatsoever to happen to your family. But you want me to be angry. You don't want me to be fulfilled up, yeah? If I'm not fulfilled, Mr. Man, you will not be fulfilled.
Mirabel, why are you saying all this? Why are you doing this?
What have I done? I did what I should do. I only came to your house to, introduce myself to your wife as your side chick. Yeah, yes! I mean, that is the in thing now. We side chicks, we have this power that sometimes we need to exercise by introducing ourselves to your so-called wives. So that is our right. And sometimes we should be able to exercise it.
Mirabel.
Okay.
You came to my house to introduce yourself to my wife as my side chick. Why are you doing all this?
Because I've been the one relieving her. I have been the one doing her job. Have I not been?
Mirabel. Oh, Yefara, calm down. Calm down. You came to my house to tell my wife that you are my side chick. Why are you? What have I not done for you? Have I denied you anything that I can afford? Why are you bent on destroying my marriage?
Point of correction. Just correct. What's that? Yes. If you don't want to hear me, forget it. You've been speaking Yoruba here since I've been looking at you. So I'm speaking my own. Listen to me. I am not ready. In fact, I don't even have the time to destroy anybody's marriage and not yours. Do you understand? So if you want to say anything to me, just sponge that one. Don't say it to me because that's why I don't have anything doing. I'm going about trying to destroy homes. You've seen a home breakup, yeah? See, you see this peace that you want? You will never have this peace until you do the needful. Nonsense.
And the needful you are talking about is for me to take you to my wife. Abi?
Is there anything wrong with that? Is there anything wrong with that?
Mirabel, you want to destroy my home, Ninye?
Listen, I don't have time for all this nonsense you're spewing with your mouth. I honestly do not have time for that. Because I don't know what your problem is. Adeniyi, in fact, I'm going to go to Chief. Adeniyi, I don't know what your problem is. Marry me. Buy me a house. Igaju ochicha, jogiga. Allow me to speak my dialect. It's not your problem. Have you not been speaking your own? See, let me tell you. You see this time around, I am so blowing these trumpets. I am so blowing this trumpet until the long-awaited rapture happens. I am so blowing it.
She's fine, her cups,
Chief Adeniyi, I would advise you do away with this crap. Let's just talk this over. Do you understand?
Mirabel, let me tell you the truth. I cannot marry you.
Who even wants to marry you? You want to know the truth? The truth is that I am not even ready to marry you. It is not my choice to get married to you.
Loto, so what do you want?
Buy me the house. Buy me the goddamn freaking house. And not just anywhere. Layout. New layout phase 2. That's where I want my house to be bought.
Mirabel, do you know how much they sell house there? Do you?
What do you mean, do I know how much they sell house? I know you full well, and I know the office you occupy. I know you can buy that house for me without any issues. But I don't know why you are behaving like this, why you have chosen to be like this. You don't know the insults, the embarrassments my neighbors give to me in that nonsense compound. Because I share, face me, I face you with them. Nonsense.
Uda, Mutigbo, I've heard you. I will buy the house for you. I will buy the house, but on one condition.
Condition quoi?
One condition.
Let's hear it.
Condition Enikpe, you will follow me to Abuja and spend 1 month with me. So tell Lord, are you okay with that?
For 2 years now, I've been in this relationship with you.
Tony.
You have never for once asked me to travel with you to anywhere for 1 week, not to talk of 1 month. But I tell you something, I don't have a problem with traveling with you to anywhere. I can go with you to anywhere, stay with you, make you happy. You know I can do that. But Chief, I'm not going you have no idea. Do not embalm your remains by trying to do anything against me. Hey.
Why are you talking like this?
You heard me.
Why do you have to think like that? I have never, it is not in my nature to kill anybody. I have never even thought of it.
I have not even said anything. You're really talking about killing anybody. What I am saying is that I will go with you to Abuja. I don't have a problem with that. But if you have any ulterior motive by trying to sniff life out of me, like killing me, Chief, I'm not going to. In fact, it's a problem because it will not even work. You don't know where I came from. I am from the I
don't understand.
I can report to the you can't do me anything. I'm saying the truth too. If your mind is pure, why are you shaking? I just want to let you know as you are prepared, I'm also prepared. Girl, you can't believe this. Your girl will soon be the latest duplex owner in this town. What? Not just a duplex owner, not in regular places. So it's going to be a new layout phase too. Who there is Azun? Who there is Zun? My darling. Yes, no, you're speaking to a proud owner of a duplex. I need to be very proud because it's not easy. Whoever says it's easy to own a house, not just owning a house, owning a duplex, let the person go and try. Yes, so of course I know some laggards that has never achieved anything in their entire lives and that can never ever achieve. In fact, even in their next world, they would never get close to what I've achieved. Nonsense. I know they will not believe it, but they will see it. It is not hidden. Yes, my darling. So thank you so much. No. See, I'm going to be so proud this time around because it's not just from anybody to me. It is from me to me. Hey, from me to me. Oh, Coco, don't worry. Every of my platforms, now social media, okay, we'll work on. I'm going to so post it with so much proud. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, my darling. Don't worry. I'll invite you over very soon and you'll so enjoy yourself. I love you, baby. No, landlady. Public yard.
The body na super booba. What a pen the body na wire. What a pen the body na super duper. A super duper. The body
begin talk. What's it happen? Why they drag me like this?
As I see myself now, and as I see Mirabel, if you be say her house don't even dey there. See, babe, as I don't give you, Mirabel is leaving this compound to new layout phase 2. Shut up. Which book on? Come, Messi. You just say na everything where people supposed to they use the play or the joke. Oh, Doris, I resemble person where they play. I no fit play now. I no fit joke with this kind of thing. I no fit. I heard it from the horse's mouth. As I come out now, I buy something from Mama Yinka shop. I see Mirabel where she dey make all the take person for phone. Say, as they see her now, she don't be landlady. Say, she don't get house for new layout phase 2.
As she? Ezbota, she lie. Big lie. You know what happened? She called that person for phone because she want make you hear everything when she dey brag. No, they worry your head, though. She won't confuse you, not be me. She won't confuse you. But you know what thing will happen? Make we just chill, make we relax until she packs out of this compound. You know that girl is a braggart. And you know it. You know.
Wait, so you won't tell me say Mirabel? So Mirabel, if we go to this extent just to pepper us?
Not us, you.
Hey!
Messi. He just do like say no be my baby where he be again. He just dey fall my hand. This Mirabel of a girl, she fit go to any extent to lie. And you know that. Okay, check am now. Person wey me and you know say she no get car. Wetin be car? Keke na kwawon. She no get. How you want tell me say she get house for new layout? How possible it be? How is it possible? Can you again?
You get point.
Maybe I go.
But what if last it can't be say she really get that house? As in for real, say the house where she dey talk, say she really get them. What we go do? You know could better make we cease fire.
Fear what?
Yes, now we cease fire, make friends with her.
God forbid. Allo. I no fit be friends with such a fool. I no fit. You know they possible.
Ogbeni, calm down. Calm down.
Also?
Here in a city. Here in a city. And na jungle we dey. Na jungle we dey. No permanent friend for jungle. No permanent enemy for jungle. The only thing that is permanent is interest. Make you reason on that way. They go that lane.
They talk of interest. As they see me so, I personally get class for my own pursuit of interest. As they see me, I get my own class. I don't know about you. But you see, for me to become friends with that low life, that girl with the open leg, with everything wrong under the trousers, for her to be my friend, go for pay or my you know they possible. Instead, where they here, go be friends with her. May God be my friend. In fact, based on who she be my permanent enemy. Only long couple. Yes. This is plasma TV showing. They need to see it, they play in the show. It's not their regular vehicle. Oh, who they? It is not their regular. It they play in the show. It they play in the show. It they play in the show. They feel run Abi no shabi. Oh, no show down by SUV. Oh, no show down by Jeep. Oh, no show don't get motor. Oh, no show don't get house. Oh, no show is a proud house and a freaking SUV owner. Who did? Nonsense. This is heaven on earth. Hey. Oh my goodness. I am an achiever. I am an achiever. Oh my God. This is just a tip of the iceberg to the real thing. Because I am also a proud owner of a duplex. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. Oh goodness, let me take a chill pill. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's Mirabel. Welcome.
Some people they mumu too much. Mercy. Mercy, you don't fall my hand.
Chobi, I don't fall your hand.
Mercy, you don't fall my hand. But wait. Now who you just greet? Wait, who you just greet? I dey ask you.
Auntie Mirabel now.
Oh, because say she carry car enter. Because say she carry car enter. You don't begin the greet her. You not even the only greet her, you call him auntie. Ha!
Wait again, you won't make her call.
Mercy, you don't fall my hand.
Chobi, I don't fall your hand.
You don't fall your hand, not even my hand. You don't fall your hand.
Now your hand, not my own hand I fall. If I like, make I fall my nyash, fall my leg, fall my eye. Anyone, I mean they fall. Not be you. Now this is what I tell you before, but you don't believe me. Now see am. This one a huge one. Huge one. Something huge don't happen.
It's not possible.
Eh?
It's not possible.
It's not possible. JJ and I make pints they wear you.
Fear them, her cups, fear them. If you feel like say you wanna near them, one man, Ejiofor, the body na super booba. What the the body na wire, what the body na super duper, super duper. The body na
Mirabel. The worldwide unlimited Mirabel. I still cannot believe that this is where I have lived for so many years. So many years of my life. How? Hey Joel. Poverty. Fear, I curse you. Fear, I curse you. I can never ever in my life, even in my next life, cross path with you. I curse you, poverty. Oh yeah. If it were those days, I would like to lock my door so that no hoodlum would have access into my house. Right now, it is quite open. Saraka, everybody, this is Saraka for you.
If you feel like say you wanna near them, one day, Ejiofor, the body na super booba. What the the body na wire.
I was greeting you before. Sorry, what did you just call me? Auntie Mirabel. Oh,
I think I love the new title. Auntie Mirabel. From Olosho Mirabel to Auntie Mirabel. No more Olosho?
No. Auntie Mirabel.
Okay, that's fine. Well, it's quite obvious to me that you've gotten back to your senses.
Yes.
So please help me, send a message to the landlady. Tell her that I have officially moved out of her house.
Ew.
I no longer live here. So I'll be moving into my new duplex at New Layout Phase 2. So the remains of my rent, I have no need for it anymore. Just, she could have them.
No problem.
Okay?
I'll tell her.
All right.
I'll tell her.
And I need you to know something. You already know that God has blessed me.
Yes,
but I need you to know how much God has really blessed me. He lifted me from here to there, there. When I talk about there, I mean there. That's so fast.
Yes.
So, yeah, up in the sky. That's where God kept me, And you are still here. You've not, you're trying to,
Yes,
So
yes,
I
trying.
want you to have the remains of my properties in that house. I have no need for them anymore. So just take them and help upgrade your miserable life.
I should take them.
Yes.
Auntie, I should take them.
Hey, take everything. Have a nice day. I have no
I
need
should have them.
Have them.
Hey! Thank you, Auntie. God bless you, Auntie. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hey! Some people don't move. People don't move for this life. Are you okay? What is wrong with you?
You tell me why you didn't move. Are you okay? Do I look like I'm not okay to you?
Now me they ask that stupid question. Wait, now me you they ask that stupid question. Now who you just greet now? Wait, who you just greet?
Eh? You don't ask me
this. Because she carry car enter. You don't they greet am, Auntie Mirabel. This, that. I'm disappointed in you. You dey fuck up.
Doris, wetin be your problem? You know they tire. So far no they tire you. Eh? See, I am not ready. I'm not ready to make enemy with you. or join hands with you and be Auntie Mirabel's enemy. No. I am not doing that at all. I told you before. Here is jungle. There is no permanent enemy and there is no permanent enemy. Auntie Mirabel is the new way. The new thing. When the onye jigu ke uneso. Follow who no road. Auntie Mirabel na she be the road. Follow am. No follow me.